of felines, wines, and dines. Artie, the manager speaking. Tuffy ain't here. Oh, hello, Tuffy. Hey, Tuffy, where's them mouse knuckles at? I ain't seen hide nor seek of them. You ain't sending them. You can't get them. But Tuffy, Edward G. Robin's on his way down here for a mess of those mouse knuckles, and he ain't hardly the type of guy to think we ain't got none for no answer. Leave us face it. Uh-oh, perish forbid. Look, Tuffy, I'll call you later. Hey, Filligan.
Hiya.
Now, look, Filligan, this guy's gonna holler for mouse knuckles, of which we ain't got no mouse. So make yourself useful as well as oriental, Filligan. Chase me up a mouse muy pronto.
Okay, Art. I'll get your mouse. My name ain't F-I-L-L-I-G-A-N. Spells, spells,
Well, as me eyes deceive me, Eddie G. Robincat in the flesh and fantasy.
Listen, you mug, can the gab, see? Bring me them mouse knuckles, see? Yeah, mouse knuckles, yeah, see?
I see.
Mouse hole.
What are you looking in that hole for? Why are you looking in that hole? There's nothing in that hole because I was the only one in there, so it's silly for you to be looking in that hole for somebody who isn't in there anymore. What's your name?
My name is Filligan, and I am going to... Hey, Art! I don't think he needs the mouse knuckles, Tuffy, but he sure could use some brass knuckles.
That's all, folks.